Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock the home screen layout on your Samsung phone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, if you try to move and navigate around and maybe remove or change an app, but you can see all these are grayed out, it's not working for you. Let's hop into your settings, and there are three different things that we're going to look for and potentially change that are locking your layout. The first one is let's scroll down until we get to security and privacy. Tap on that. And then scroll down again until you get to more security settings and tap on that. Now, towards the bottom here is device admin apps. If you have a device management profile on your Samsung phone, this will prevent you from making some changes. So if any of these are turned on, just turn them off. However, that's not the only thing. Let's also just go back to the very beginning. If that doesn't fix it, from the beginning of your settings, let's scroll down until you get to display and tap on that. And then let's scroll down until you get to easy mode and tap on that. You can see if you have easy mode turned on and I hop out here, it sets everything to be the default for easy mode. And it's difficult to change this or to navigate around and modify it. If that easy mode is turned on, all you need to do is toggle it off. However, if that still doesn't fix your issue, you could have locked your home screen layout. To be able to check that, go back to the very beginning of your settings again, and then scroll down until you get to home screen and tap on it. And then again, scroll down until you get to lock home screen layout. It says prevent items on the home screen from being removed or repositioned. If you turn this off, now you should be able to hop out of here and press and hold, and I should be able to move around any app. In addition to that, I can always press and hold and hit remove or uninstall and modify that home screen as much as I want. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.